Silver pheasant. The silver pheasant, Lophura nycthemera, is a large and elegant bird known for its striking plumage and regal appearance. This essay explores the various aspects of this magnificent bird, including its taxonomy, physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, breeding habits, and conservation status. Taxonomy and classification. The silver pheasant belongs to the order Galliformes and the family Phasianidae. Its scientific name, Lophura nycthemera, reflects its classification in the genus Lophura, which includes several species of pheasants. The species name nycthemera is derived from Greek, meaning night and day, possibly referring to its contrasting black and white plumage. There are several recognized subspecies of the silver pheasant, each varying slightly in coloration and size. These subspecies are found across Southeast Asia, from the Himalayas to southern China and Indochina. Physical characteristics. The silver pheasant is a large bird, with males measuring about 120,125 centimeters in length, including their long tail feathers, while females are smaller, measuring about 55-65 centimeters. Males have striking black and white plumage, with a white body adorned with intricate black markings and a glossy black head, neck, and breast. Their long, white tail feathers are barred with black, adding to their elegant appearance. Females are more subdued in coloration, with brownish feathers that provide camouflage in their forest habitat. Both sexes have red facial skin and legs, and the males have prominent spurs on their legs, which they use in territorial and mating disputes. Juveniles resemble females but gradually develop the adult male plumage as they mature. Habitat and distribution. The silver pheasant inhabits a variety of forested environments, including evergreen, deciduous, and mixed forests. They are found at elevations ranging from sea level to about 2,000 meters, depending on the region. Their distribution includes southern China, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, and parts of Cambodia. These birds prefer dense undergrowth and forest edges, where they can forage for food and find shelter from predators. They are also known to inhabit secondary forests and plantations, demonstrating some adaptability to human-altered landscapes. Behavior and adaptations. Silver pheasants are primarily ground dwellers, spending much of their time foraging for food on the forest floor. They are shy and elusive birds, often remaining hidden in dense vegetation. When threatened, they can burst into short, powerful flights to escape danger. These pheasants are diurnal, being most active during the early morning and late afternoon. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including calls, whistles, and clucks, which they use to maintain contact with each other and to signal alarm. Diet. The diet of the silver pheasant is omnivorous, consisting of a mix of plant and animal matter. They forage for seeds, fruits, leaves, and roots, as well as insects, small reptiles, and other invertebrates. Their foraging behavior involves scratching the leaf litter and soil with their strong legs to uncover food. In captivity, they are fed a balanced diet of grains, vegetables, fruits, and protein sources such as insects or meat. Their diet in the wild varies seasonally, with a higher intake of fruits and insects during the warmer months when these resources are more abundant. Breeding and lifespan. The breeding season for silver pheasants varies depending on the region but typically occurs during the spring and summer months. Males establish territories and attract females with courtship displays that include strutting, wing flapping, and vocalizations. Once a pair is formed, the female selects a nesting site on the ground, often concealed in dense vegetation. The nest is a simple scrape lined with leaves and other plant material. The female lays 6-15 eggs, which she incubates alone for about 24-26 days. The chicks are precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and mobile shortly after hatching. They leave the nest within a few days and follow the female as she forages, learning to find food and avoid predators. Both parents may help in rearing the chicks, depending on the availability of food and the presence of predators. Silver pheasants can live up to 15 years in captivity, though their lifespan in the wild is likely shorter due to predation and environmental factors. Their survival depends on the availability of food, suitable habitat, and protection from hunters and predators. Conservation status. The silver pheasant is classified as least concern by the IUCN, with stable populations in many parts of its range. However, habitat loss and fragmentation, hunting, and illegal trade pose significant threats to some local populations. Conservation efforts focus on protecting forest habitats, enforcing hunting regulations, and promoting sustainable land use practices. In some areas, protected areas and wildlife reserves have been established to safeguard critical habitats for the silver pheasant and other forest-dwelling species. Captive breeding programs and reintroduction efforts also play a role in supporting wild populations and raising awareness about the importance of pheasant conservation. Cultural significance and ecosystem role. The silver pheasant holds cultural significance in many parts of Asia, where it is often featured in folklore, art, and literature. It is also a symbol of beauty and grace, admired for its striking appearance and elegant behavior. Ecologically, silver pheasants play a vital role in their forest habitats by aiding in seed dispersal and controlling insect populations. Their foraging activities help to aerate the soil and promote the growth of vegetation, contributing to the health and diversity of their ecosystems. Their presence in forests is often an indicator of healthy, undisturbed habitat, making them important bioindicators for conservation efforts. Birdwatchers and naturalists value the silver pheasant for its beauty and the challenges it presents in observing and studying such a secretive and elusive species.